Now comes an important aspect of mission. Mary recognized her inadequacies, her limitations. How could this be? I have no relations with man. Mahalaga po yan sa misyon. Hindi yung, wow, sa dami-dami ng babae dyan sa Nazaret, ako ang pinuntahan ng anghel. Sorry na lang sa kanila. Ako siguro ang pinakamagaling. Ako siguro ang pinakamatalino. Ako siguro ang pinakasikat. This is my moment. Hindi mission ang tawag doon. Ambition. Mary right away said, how can this be? It is not possible. And again, the angel assured her, the Holy Spirit will come upon you. Do not be afraid, Mary. God knows your limitations.